Hi, I'm Daniel Skurnick, Executive Pastry Chef of Le Coucou Restaurant and Budokan Restaurant in New York City, and I'm here to show you how to make a traditional New York-style cheesecake. To start, we're going to make the crust. We're going to take some of your favorite sugar or butter cookies from the supermarket and crush them into crumbs. We're going to add melted butter. You can melt it either on the stovetop or in the microwave. Mix them together until you get a smooth paste. From here, you're going to take a springform pan. Put the cookie crumbs into the bottom and spread them evenly along the bottom and up the sides a little bit. We're going to bake it in the oven at about 160 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes. While that's baking, we'll make the filling. To start, we're going to take Liberty Lane cream cheese. To that, we'll add granulated sugar and mix it on the machine with the paddle. Once your cream cheese is nice and smooth, we'll start adding eggs to it one at a time. Now with all the eggs incorporated, our batter is ready. And now we're just going to flavor it with a little bit of vanilla extract and a little lemon zest as well. And lastly, a little lemon juice. But you can use any flavor you want. And then we mix to combine. Now our crust is out of the oven. I like to wrap the bottom of the springform pan in a little bit of aluminum foil. This ensures that it'll be watertight as we bake it. And now we pour our batter over the crust. From here, we're going to place it into a shallow baking dish. In order to ensure even baking, we're going to fill water into this dish until it's about halfway up the springform pan. And we're going to bake it in an oven at 160 degrees Celsius for about an hour. The top will be a golden yellow color and won't jiggle when you shake it. Put it in the refrigerator for about 4 hours so it can set up. Now your cheesecake is ready to serve. Top it with fresh fruit, berries, or your favorite fruit coulis. A New York-style cheesecake should be creamy, smooth, and pure white on the inside. Liberty Lane cream cheese helps you achieve all these characteristics.